welcome back. Yeah, I know I haven't posted in quite a while. It's kind of hard to think of DIY videos, but today I have my beautiful cousin Fatima, and today we are finally doing a DIY video. So this video is a challenge where we have to design an item of clothing for our model. My cousin, I love her, but she's currently in the shower, so she can't be here. So she is super thin, so which means we use less fabric. We have a sippy cup with 7 colors in. The person who receives the grey is only allowed 3 colors, and the person who obviously doesn't receive the grey gets 4 colors. Let's do this. Okay.
Okay.
But yeah. No! Okay, so she has the grey for her. Okay, my turn. Can we please swap? Okay, so if she's feeling kind, we can swap. So it looks like a apron or something, but so this is the colors I have. I thought my idea can't do anything with this. Can we please swap? But what can you do with that? You have such a big piece already. So now that we have our fabric, we are gonna start sketching, and then we'll get back with you in a minute. Not a minute, more than a minute. We're gonna sketch.
Okay.
So we have decided that instead of just sketching a few things and then choose which one we like best, we are gonna pick out between a top and a skirt.
Oh yeah. Ow, my back.
Our model! This is our model! Hafsa. Okay. Okay, so I got top!
I want a skirt and a white.
So let's get designing. Okay, so our model's back. Just switch to vlog mode. There's my lighting, you guys, by the way. Fatima is eating, and Hafsa is having from the food as well. Why are you hiding your toes? Okay, so this is what Fatima has designed so far. Okay, and then this is my top. This is my.
Has one thing. What the hell?
What? Okay, I've already designed one thing. But this is my top.
I'm very diverse.
And yeah, so we'll see you when we start making. Okay, so I've cut those, measured a few pieces, and Fatima has started sewing her skirt, a little parts. And how far are you?
Not hot at all. Like
You further than. Okay, you have more work than me though. In a
you
way.
see this. I don't know what to do.
So right now, I changed the design a bit, as I said. If I said so, if I didn't say so, I kind of changed the design. Cause I messed up with the top over here, so I had to cut it off. Cause I cut it too it broke. I cut it off by accident. The slit there. Okay, so now I'm just threading this through the holes that I punched with the hole punch, and then we'll see how this turns out. And Fatima, I don't know where she is. She's missing. And this is how my room looks at the moment. Okay, so I'm busy with the top. It is coming out okay, but the holes that I punched are stretching and they are gonna break soon. So I'm gonna put this on, and then she will show you, and you guys will just have to see how that looks. Okay, so now hold on. See if we pull it a bit more down the sides. Okay. Turn around, try the top that I made. Okay, so obviously it's like a corset in a way with crisscrosses, and this is my final look. Fatima still hasn't returned, and let me know what you guys think about this look. So 2 days later, Fatima finally decides to finish the skirt for Hafsa, our model, and she changed her whole design because it looked a bit terrible before. Nearly done. Oh, you're nearly done.
Sort of ish, kinda, yeah.
Literally nearly 2 hours later.
2 days, 2 hours. Hey.
Our model just finished eating. Okay, and Fatima, are you done yet?
Almost. Yeah.
Okay.
Very nice.
So Hafsa is busy finishing the outfit. We gave her some black tiles.
Ow. Ow. Yeah. Ow.
Okay.
Hey, this
Can
girl
we wait? Can we wait? Can we just wait?
Just take a put you something and take. Yeah.
Put it into.
Put it into.
Turn around.
There we go.
Okay.
Wait, let me make this a little creasy crossy in the front.
In the front.
Okay. So this is our final outfit, you guys. Top made by me. Pants made by Fatima. This is our final look. Okay.
Are you gonna stay with this?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below who won this challenge. Was it me or was it Fatima? Did you like the top better or the skirt better? And my social media will be linked below, as well as our model Hafsa and my challenge person Fatima. See you guys next time. Bye.
We can see my hand.